Padlet is a great tool for sharing information with others. Collaborating is what we call it when we work together on something. So you can create Padlets all for yourself, but the very cool thing about Padlets is that lots of people can create one Padlet that's good for everybody. So in this case, we're going to create a Padlet just for third graders, by third graders, with recommendations about safe, interesting, and useful websites for third grade students, okay? So if you've got an idea of a website that you think is safe, interesting, and useful for third grade students, you can add it to our Padlet. And the cool thing about that is that you'll be able to see what you added plus what everybody else adds to it. And we're going to keep this going all year long and see what kind of good websites we get on our Padlet. Okay, Padlet's really easy to use. All you have to do, if you've got an idea of something that you want to add, is just double click and a little box comes up and you can add information. So I am going to share about this website, Wonderopolis. I really like this site. It's got great pictures, it's got great stories, and really cool videos that go along with it. And there's always something interesting to learn about. And and it changes every day. So if you don't like that one, you just click and it takes you to another one. It's very cool, okay? So I really like that. Here's one on Theodore Geisel, who is Dr. Seuss. So, and there we have green eggs. So very cool. And then there's information. There's so if you look here, you'll see that I can read about it. I can find out. I can test myself to see how many books from Dr. Seuss I know. All kinds of things I can do with this site. So I'm going to go back to I'm going to go up here to the top to the Omnibar, and I'm going to copy this address because I'm going to share it on my Padlet. So in order to copy, I highlight the address, and then I right-click, and I click Copy. Okay? You can also click on the Control button and the C button on your keyboard at the same time to copy it. Okay, so I did that. Now I'm going to go to my website, and I'm going to write. I'm going to, go back here. I'm going to add media. So I'm going to paste that link that I just shared. And the way I do that is I click on the box, and I right click, and then I click paste. And there it goes, and then I hit submit. Now, one thing about this is that it doesn't let you choose which picture goes in there, but that's the picture it's showing, so we're going to use that. So I'm going to say OK. And then I'm going to write about Wonderopolis. Put Wonderopolis. Okay, so Wonderopolis is a great way to learn new and interesting things. There are articles, pictures, quizzes, and videos to explore. And then I'm going to put a name because somebody might want to ask me more questions about this particular website. So I want everybody to know I'm the one who recommended the website. So then when I'm done, I just click off of my little box, and there it is, ready for the next person. So when you and your class come up with a website that you really like, you can add it to our Padlet, and we'll have a whole list of websites recommended by third graders for third graders. This would be a great place for you to go when you get finished with work early and check out what some other people have recommended.